boiled potatoes, chopped cucumber, chopped radish, chopped carrot, chopped onion, chopped green chilies, green peas, fried capsicum, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, sesame powder, lapsi paste, roasted fenugreek seeds and mustard oil, and chopped coriander leaves. All the vegetables are chopped by my parents for my safety. Now I will start to make Newari mix achaar. First of all, I will take a bowl. Then I will put all the ingredients one by one. First, I will put boiled potatoes. Then I will add chopped cucumber, chopped radish, chopped carrot, chopped onion, chopped green chilies, green peas, fried capsicum. Now I will mix these all stuffs with the help of the spoon. Now I will add salt as per taste. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. 1/2 tablespoon of turmeric powder. 4 tablespoons of sesame powder. 4 tablespoons of lapsi paste. Now I will mix all these stuff with the help of the spoon. Now I will add roasted fenugreek seeds and 4 tablespoons of mustard oil so that it adds a lot of good flavor. Coriander leaves to decorate and for the taste. Now my mixed achaar is ready to eat. My mouth is watering. Now I will serve this achaar to my father with wheaten rice.
Wow, it's so tasty and spicy, achaar. Thank you, my darling Saadhvi. I am proud of you.
It's really tasty and spicy achaar. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.